If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling, and stability of your Toyota, then wheel spacers should be your best choice. Spacers are not just for looks. They're critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, half-century wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. BONOSS has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer patented cooling grooves. These especially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves brake performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. Good half-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that meet specific local requirements. BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage half-century rings. This half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub set. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. These BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they're made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issues. Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.